Welcome to another IoT session. Let's take a comprehensive look at some interesting IoT applications. Let us begin. IoT has applications in all industries and markets. It encompasses user groups from those seeking to reduce energy consumption in their home to large companies seeking to streamline their operations. It is proving not only useful but almost essential in many industries as technology advances and we approach advanced automation that can be imagined in the distant future. First place in technology, industry, and infrastructure. In these fields, IoT applications include enhancing manufacturing, marketing, service delivery, and safety. IoT provides a powerful tool for monitoring numerous processes, and true transparency creates more visibility for chances for improvement. The deep level of control provided by IoT enables faster and more action on those opportunities, which include events such as clear client needs, non-conforming items, equipment breakdowns, distribution network difficulties, and more. Joan, for example, owns a manufacturing plant that produces shields for industrial machinery. When regulations for the composition and function of the shields change, the new relevant requirements are automatically programmed in production robotics, and engineers are notified that the modifications have been approved. The second sector is government and security. IoT in government and safety enables better law enforcement, defense, city planning, and economic administration. The technology closes existing gaps, corrects various defects, and broadens the scope of these activities. For example, IoT can assist city planners in better understanding the influence of their design, and governments in better understanding the local economy. As an example, Joan resides in a tiny town. She's heard of a recent increase in violence in her neighborhood and is concerned about returning home late at night. Local law enforcement has been notified of the new hot zone via system flags, and their presence has been boosted. Suspicious conduct was discovered by area monitoring systems, and law enforcement followed up on these leads to prevent crimes. The third most important sector is home and office. IoT provides a personalized experience in our daily lives, from the home to the office to the organizations with which we commonly do business. This increases our total enjoyment, productivity, and health and safety. IoT, for example, can assist us in customizing our workspace to optimize our work. Consider the following example. Joan is in the advertising industry. When she walks inside her office, it recognizes her face. It changes the lighting and temperature to her liking. It powers on her devices and launches applications to her most recent working points. Her office door detected and identified a coworker who had visited her office several times before she arrived. Joan's system immediately opens this visitor's communications. The fourth sector is health and medicine. IoT propels us toward an envisioned future of medicine that makes use of a highly integrated network of smart medical equipment. IoT can now significantly improve medical research, equipment, care, and emergency care. The integration of these parts results in greater accuracy, greater attention to detail, faster reactions to events, and continuous development, all while lowering the traditional overhead of medical research and organizations. As an example, Joan works as an emergency room nurse. A call has come in for a man who has been injured in an incident. The system identified the patient and retrieved his records. On the scene, paramedic equipment gathers important information that is automatically transmitted to the hospital's receiving parties. The system evaluates new and existing data to provide a guided solution. During the patient's transport, the system updates his status every second. Joan is prompted by the system to accept system actions for pharmaceutical distribution and medical equipment preparation. To recapitulate, IoT is the future. We can envision all products connecting via the internet, and we are already in the halfway point. Hope for a better future that benefits all living things on the planet.